Hi, my name is Tristan Johansson, and this is my Unit 4 kerning presentation. So this first good example here is the Heart and Strings Studio. All the letters are uniformly spaced, and you can tell it's good kerning because if this N was as far away from the furthest point in this G, it would be way back here, leaving an awkward space between the N and the G when none of the other letters have one. As well as just like the I in this D here, it would just be awkwardly spaced, so it's all uniformly spaced and disregarding the low hangings and the overhangs. Fin core construction, there's nothing really like the script font, nothing overhanging, nothing underhanging, so it's a little more uniform and a lot more easy to get the kerning right. All of the letters are uniform, nothing nothing to complain about. Beechwood apartment homes. Nothing is script, so there's nothing overhanging. Um, one thing is the between this H and the W, there's kind of a really tight space, even though they're different words. But it's not that hard to break apart in your mind. But I would have spaced this a little bit. And then the bad examples. This Heinz pourable mustard, but this T in the A has a weird gap here because it's from the top of the T to the bottom of the A. It's got this weird gap here, and it kind of makes it look like mustard. So I would personally think that this T should just be inched a little bit to the right. Well, actually, all of this should be inched a little bit to the right, closer to the A. And then we have this caution, watch out for falling ice. I have no idea why the A is just so spaced away from this L here. And no reason, like, because it's all so tight right here and everywhere else, and then there's just an awkward space here for apparently no reason. Makes it look like two separate words here. It looks like falling. And then this stop written on the road. This T is just in such a weird place. It's awkwardly close to the S and awkwardly far from the O. It just doesn't make sense. Well, anyway, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you all for listening.